How to change Facebook Messenger theme back to normal. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is launch a Messenger application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on any of the chats over here, and here you can see the theme is not normal. This is not a default theme of the Messenger. So what you can do in order to change the Facebook Messenger theme is to tap on the eye icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now, as you do that, you can see the option of theme under customization. Select on theme. As you do that, you can see there are different other options for themes. So since we want to just switch it back to normal, we're going to drag down to the very end where you can see the option of default over here. So tap on default, tap on select, and there you go. So you can just refresh it and you'll be able to select theme to default. So let's do that again and tap on it, tap on select, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.